Hello dear friends, I am Dundappa Patil. In management accounting, in second model we have fund flow and cash flow statement and their analysis. Concept of funds and flows and fund flow statement and important steps in preparation of fund flow statement. And also we need to discuss regarding cash flow statement and their analysis. Cash flow statement, important steps in preparation of cash flow statement, and difference between fund flow statement and cash flow statement. These are all aspects we are going to discuss in the module 2. So let us start with fund flow statement. Fund flow statement. A fund flow statement is a statement. It is prepared to analyze the reasons for changes in the financial position of a company between two balance sheets. So, fund flow statement is prepared to analyze the reasons for changes in the financial position of a company between two balance sheets, and it portrays the inflow and outflow of funds. So, this fund flow statement shows the inflow and outflow of funds, that is sources of funds and applications of funds for a particular period, that is financial year. Sources of funds means the inflow of money from the to the organization, and applications of fund means the usage of fund in the organization for various activities. Here the term funds means working capital, that is the excess of current assets over current liabilities. In management accounting, funds means working capital. So that working capital is we obtained from subtracting the current liabilities from the current assets. So that is called working capital. So for that working capital we call funds. Working capital, also known as a net working capital, it is a difference between a company's current assets such as cash, accounts receivables, that is the customers' unpaid bills, and inventories of raw materials and finished goods, and its current liabilities such as accounts payable. Accounts payables are nothing but the amount which are the organization are we supposed to pay. So these are some accounts payable. Next, how we calculate net working capital, or how do you calculate net working capital? So below we have formula for calculate the net working capital. Net working capital equal to current assets minus current liabilities. So we subtract current liabilities from current assets, the whatever amounts remains, that is net working capital. So another way is current assets, that includes current receivables plus inventory minus accounts payable, that is current assets minus current liabilities, that is less cash, less debts. This is how we prepare net working capital. Let us see what is flow. The word flow means here the moment of working capital, that is either increase in working capital or decrease in working capital in the comparison to previous years. That is we preparing while we are preparing fund flow statement. And let us see nature of flow of funds. Increase in working capital, which is called inflow, it is also called sources of funds, that is increase in working capital. The whatever amounts comes to the organization, for that we call sources of funds. And decrease in working capital, in which capital which is called outflow, it is also called application of funds or usage of funds. The whatever the sources we have issued or funds we have issued, that fund or that source or that money we are going to make use in various activities in the organization, that is applications of funds, that is decrease in working capital. So let us see importance of fund flow statement. Fund flow statement determines the financial consequences of business operations. So it shows how the funds were obtained and used in the past. Financial manager can take corrective actions based on the preparation of fund flow statements. It shows the funds were obtained and used in the past, where we obtained the funds from various sources like loan from banks or financial institutions, or sale of some fixed assets, or sale of some intangible assets. So various sources we get money, and where this amount is used, or where this sources or funds were going to be used in the organization, will going to know by preparation of fund flow statement. The management can formulate its financial policies, dividend policy, reserves, etc. on the basis of the statement. So in the organizations, management going to formulate some policies regarding the dividend payout and reserves, all those things on the basis of this fund flow statement. Next importance is fund flow statements serve as a control device. When comparing with budgeted figures, the financial manager can take remedial steps if there is any deviations. With the help of this fund flow statement, we are going to know that where funds are going and from where funds are coming, and where we are using that fund in the organizations, whether we are using effectively or not. All this information will come to know that with the help of fund flow statements. If there is a deviations, if in the organization for sources are not using proper way, they are going to take some remedial steps or precautionary activities to make correct use of those sources in the organizations. Next importance is fund flow statements points out sound and weak financial position of the enterprise. So with the help of fund flow statement, we come to know that whether financial position of a organization is whether it is a strong or it is going to be a weaker side. Next one, fund flow statements points out the causes for changes in working capital. So in fund flow statement, we have steps how to prepare a fund flow statement. In that, we have first statement, we have changes in working capital. Next, fund from operation, then applications and sources of the sources report. So in that first prepare step, we have we are going to prepare changes in working capital. So with the help of changes in working capital, we come to know that causes for changes in working capital. So why working capital position is changed, where we used some sources, and where from various resources we issued funds. Next, fund flow statement enables the bankers, creditors, or financial institutions in assessing the degree of risk involved in granting credit to the business. So here in fourth point, we know that fund flow statement points out sound and weaker financial position of a enterprise. So with the help of that information, bankers or creditors or financial institutions assess the degree of risk involved in granting credit to the business. So they are going to analyze the fund flow statement, whether the organization financial position is a strong, weak, what is their position, can we able to grant some credits to those organizations. With the help of this fund flow statement, they decide all those things. So these are some importance of fund flow statement. Next, we have advantages of fund flow statement. First one, we have it helps in analyzing the financial position. Fund flow statement helps in the analysis of financial positions of the organization. We know the financial statement shows the net effect of all the transactions on the financial position of a company. So balance sheet also only show the picture of our current financial position on a specific date, but it will not reveal reasons why working capital amount difference occurs. But these financial statements do not show the reasons of difference in the assets and liabilities between two financial years, what I told now. In a fund flow statement, we make the fund flow statement for knowing the reasons of changes in the assets and liabilities. So with the fund flow statement, we come to know the reasons changing in the assets and liability side amounts. So sometimes we have good financial performance, but we have using our fund in a bad areas. With the help of fund flow statements, we come to know all these reasons to analyze of fund flow statement. So the bad reasons, whatever we are using in the organization, so even though our organization is performing very well, if we are using funds in a bad areas which is not having a good return on investment, we will come to know when we prepare fund flow statement. So for that reason, it helps in the analysis of financial position. For that reason, we prepare fund flow statement. This is one of the advantage. Next, we have it throws light on puzzling questions. What are those? Fund flow analysis does not only throw the light on confusing questions, but it also helps us to solve such questions. These questions are: why are our net current assets decreasing even after obtaining higher profit? This is a one question. Even organization current asset is why even organization obtaining a higher profit, still that organization current asset is decreasing. There is some reasons. So for these questions, we will get answer by preparing fund flow statement. And also, why did we not issue the dividend when we have a high profit level? And what happened with our net profit? Where did it gone? When organization having a huge net profit, and where that profit they are using also, this is also one of the question. And where we use the money which we have obtained after sale of shares, debentures and other fixed assets, and what are the main resources of redemption of debts. So these are some questions. For these questions, we have answer by preparing a fund flow statements. So fund flow statement, with the help of preparing that statement, we will come to know the answers all these questions. Next advantage: it helps in the formation of a realistic dividend policy. So, fund flow statement analysis is helpful for formation of a realistic dividend policy. Net profit is also a source of fund. We know that. Fund flow analysis can tell where we are using this fund. So, with the help of fund flow analysis, we come to know that where the funds we are using. On the analysis, we can decide how much remaining fund can be used for providing the dividend to the shareholders. So, on the basis of some budget allocations and all those activities, it is the whatever funds remains, with that remaining fund, management going to decide how much dividend and dividend will be provided to the shareholders. Next, it helps in the proper allocation of resources. Fund flow statement helps proper allocation of resources. In the organization, sources of funds are limited. If we have a good monitoring capacity to check the applications of fund, we can use our limited resources better way. So, it can only possible with fund flow statement analysis. So, fund flow statement helps in proper allocation of resources. Next, it helps in appraising the use of working capital. Fund flow statement helps appraising the use of working capital. Working capital is lifeblood of a business. So every organizations have or need to have working capital. If we use it effectively or efficiently, we can grow our business. Organizations use that working capital effectively or efficiently, they can grow and their business also develops. In a fund flow statement, we learn to check the main changes in working capital, and its analysis helps us to know where did we do mistake in using of working capital if there is not using proper way. So fund flow analysis is helpful in appraising the use of working capital. Next, fund flow statement acts as a future guide. Fund flow analysis acts as future guide for the organizations. Why? Because it guides to solve the problems which will arise due to shortage of funds in the organizations. So for that reason, it acts as a future guide. If there is a shortage of money, how they can get a short-term loan from various financial institutions or banks. So organization can manage their fund proper way if it has done the analysis proper way. Next, it helps in knowing the overall credit worthiness of the firm. So fund flow analysis helps to know the overall credit worthiness of the firm. Every bank demands the fund flow statement of past year of the organizations. Why? Because they need to analyze the fund flow statement of the respective organizations who requested loan from those banks or financial institutions. All fund flow statements are analyzed under a systematic way and with the team. In those banks or financial institutions, they have some experts. With the team of experts, they are going to analyze the fund flow statement of the organization, which organization demanding loans. On that basis, loans are given if they have good sound financial position of the organizations. If a bank finds that a company has misused the fund, then they stop to give loan to such company. So fund flow statement helps to know the overall credit worthiness of the firm or organizations. These are some advantages of fund flow statement. Next we have limitations, that is disadvantages. It should be remembered that a funds flow statement is not a substitute of an income statement or balance sheet. So it provides only some additional information as regarding changes in working capital. So this is not a substitute of income statement or a balance sheet. So it only give additional information regarding changes in working capital. So it is not a completely substitute for balance sheet or profit and loss account or income statement, we can say. It is one of the disadvantage of fund flow statement. Next one is next limitation is it cannot reveal continuous changes. It can't reveal the continuous changes in the position of finance in the organizations. Next, it is not an original statement, but simply these are rearranged or rearrangement of data given in the financial statements. Whatever the financial statements have the information or data, with the help of that information, funds flow statement going to rearrange that data. So this is not a original statement. Next, it is not an ideal or a dynamic tool for financial analysis. So it is not a ideal or all some organizations, some government bodies are acceptable tool. So it is depends upon organization. So that is why it is not an ideal or a dynamic tool for financial analysis. And last disadvantage or limitation is changes in cash are more important and relevant for financial management than the working capital. So in the organization or financial management, changes in cash are more important than the changes in working capital. So for that reason, fund flow statement will going to not important. So it is a disadvantage. So in fund flow statement we are going to prepare a changes in working capital. So for financial management, changes in cash are more important. So that's why it is a limitation. So this is all about fund flow statement in this video. In the next video we will going to discuss regarding steps in preparing a fund flow statement and format of preparing a fund flow statements, or methods for preparing a fund flow statements. In fund flow statements we have 3 steps. First one is preparation of changes in working capital, and next one is preparation of funds from operation, and the third step is preparation of fund flow statement. These 3 steps we have while preparing a fund flow statement. And before going to solve problems, we are going to see the formats of these different statements, that is format of changes in working capital, as well as format of fund from operation, and also format of fund flow statement, and what all the items included in each format we will going to discuss in next video. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.